Hello guys, this is the YouTube.
You're back to YouTube
Then,
again.
okay, let's do this. Hello guys,
Hello guys,
welcome back.
new parents.
And you are watching the Noob Parents.
Aiden?
Alright, I'll do it. Okay, I'll do it. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, the Noob Parents, and here we are for another episode. And
The face.
today we're gonna do some
the face,
art,
the face.
and we are gonna do some finger paint today. So I have here a finger paint. Okay, this is a non-toxic paint, so it's very safe to use by just using our hands. And as you can see, we have our the product that we have done on our last episode. Okay, it's gonna stay with us for today. And I have here a canvas. Okay, so here is the canvas that we're gonna use. We're gonna use it to do the art, the finger paint art. Okay, so let's open it up and remove the plastic cover. See that? Help me. So
Open it.
let's open it. So this one is this one has 6 colors that you can use. Okay, so we have. Before we open, I want you to tell me what colors are this. What color is this? Red
Green. Yellow.
and
Orange.
this one.
Green.
This one.
Purple.
This one.
Blue.
Very good. Yay. Okay.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. Careful. Let me help you. Okay. It's not opening. Here we go. Oh no.
You made the mess.
Hmm?
Make mess.
You will make a mess? You'll make a mess? Okay. So here we go. We're gonna put some paint in your hands. How does it feel? You like it? Huh? You like it? Okay, now you have to put it here. 1, 2, 3. Boop. Yay!
Make another one.
Wait. We put another color. We're gonna make another color. We're gonna use the yellow. We're gonna use the yellow. We're gonna use this one. So that. Why are you smiling? Huh? How do you like it? Huh? How do you like making a mess? Okay, now you have to do it yourself, huh? I count of 3, huh? 1, 2, 3. Boop! Wow! Oh no! Don't do that. Now we'll do your face, huh? No? Okay, now let's do a mix. Okay? We'll do a mix of color. We'll put some red.
Put some red.
Yeah, we'll put some red. More red here. Okay. Again, now put somewhere else. Put somewhere else. Wow, very good. Now let me try. Oh, my turn, huh? Wow.
What happened to his face, Aiden? Why you...
Here, okay. Now we'll do some orange. Yes.
You got here already orange.
Oh, where did it go? Where did it came from? No, you mix it from the red and yellow. Tak. Check. don't put too much. You see now what happened? Now there's no more. You cannot see anymore. Yay!
It's already.
Hmm?
We have more colors for Aiden, green and purple.
This is a little messy.
Are you enjoying it, guys?
Ay, what did you do now? Now you cannot see anymore. What did you do?
Look.
Hmm? Don't mix it. Don't mix it. Ay. Hmm? Wait. So she's having fun. That. Maybe I will make a sun here, okay? Here. Don't touch it. I'm making a sun.
Does it make a car?
Oh, wait. Later, okay? First, we will make a sun. So we have the sun. This is the sun. What did you do now? Where's the red color? Careful. I will make a car here. Okay.
Aiden is like a mess.
Yeah, he's doing some. What is it? What is that? Anyway, let him do it.
It's brown. Look, I make it brown.
Yeah.
Brown.
Brown. Yeah, if you mix all the color, eventually it become brown. And later on, it will be black. Yes.
Wash my hair.
So now, I will make a...
See, Daddy, oh. Look at it.
some tree.
Why do you have to put everything in your palms, Aiden?
Tree.
Wow.
I will go wash my hands.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do something. Come here. We need to finish this, huh? So we're gonna
To
put
work off his
some stars like this.
Stars.
Uh-huh.
And make a water.
Oh, what did you do? You wash your hand already?
No, I'm making it.
Hmm?
That's it.
How are we gonna finish this?
Where's
I'm gonna
this?
finish it alone now.
Where's this things?
Oh, look. You guess what is it? What does it look like?
Where's this thing then? Where's this?
I don't know. I actually I don't know what I'm also making now here. Cannot see. Cannot think
What
of
are you
what I'm
making?
doing here. I'm trying to do a mountain, but it doesn't look like one. So I'm just making a mess here, like what you did.
Look.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is we're just gonna do some additional details. These are trees.
Wow.
Okay, here we get the trunk. Okay, and here we have some kind of road with Just like that. And here is a truck. I think it's a truck.
Wow.
This is make a tow
It's
truck?
a car.
It's a car.
No, that's a tow truck.
Beautiful.
It's a tow truck. Whatever you say.
That's gonna give some.
Yes.
Then later,
We have some bushes. Here we have some grass.
this is the first time you are making it, right?
Yeah.
This kind of thing.
Just going along what we do. Here we have the mountainside. We have the horizon here with the road. It's parking there. Okay, the trees. And we have, this is the sun supposed to be. Okay.
Wow, look.
So there's nothing really we can do on it now because it's starting to dry. Yeah. So maybe later we're gonna put it on the under the sun to dry it quickly, more quickly. But for now, just gonna add some more details here. Okay.
Where's this thing
Okay.
then?
All right, guys. So we're done, and look at the mess that we have done right here. Look at my hands, and Aiden, look at his face. He got some paint on his face. What is that?
Look here, Aiden.
Smile.
He's shy.
Show me your hands. You already washed your hands?
No, they're
It's still dirty. Still full of paint. So I'm just gonna. Hopefully this still okay. Our paint. Okay, guys. This is our finished painting with Aiden. Mostly me, I think.
Does it have again?
But he helped putting the foundation of the
Does it
paint.
have again?
So yes, we will do that next time. So guys, I'm gonna put it outside now in the sun to dry it more quickly. So let's see. Let's go. To not.
Well, it's still hot. This is
Okay, so let it just sit under the sun. And let's leave it for a few minutes, and we're gonna check if it dries later on. Okay, guys, so let's go inside. Okay, so just don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and join our membership if you like. And I'll see you on our next episode. Bye bye.